Hi, my name is Carrot, and welcome to my world. This cartoon is about food. We have Carrot, aka me. Apple is also here. Orange likes to play. And that big girl, Melon. Welcome to the secret station world. What a beautiful day it is today, and the humans are not here. Let me go wake up the others. Hey, Apple. Uh, what do you want? Carrot. I know what we're gonna do today. Oh, okay, but should we get the orange? Don't worry, I'm here. Great, let's go. So, let's go here. Oh, this. Now we gotta get through here, but this board won't move out of our way. You're just weak. Let me try. Uh, I also can't do it. Hey, let me try. Come on. Let's try all three of us. Ah, ah. We can't do it. We're too small to do it. Wait, we can ask a big food. Oh yeah, but how did we get teleported here? Well, that can happen to some food, and we were probably one of them. I mean, the three of them. Did you say you needed a big food? Yes! Okay, so what do you need help for me? Can you open that door for us? Oh, that door? That's easy. Why am I in here? Okay, that's right. Now let me open this bad boy. Well, I think my job here is done. Yay, the door is open. Now let's go. Wait for us, Carrot. Okay, are they coming? We're here. Jeez. So, don't tell me. I got teleported here again. Technical difficulty. Carrot, what are we doing here? Let's go explore the washing machine. Melon, what are you doing? Uh, Melon, stop, Melon! I need, why, I can't move. No, Melon, stop. Calm down, just don't do it. No, 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 no. Well, at least I got feedback. No one. No one. Okay, fine. Well, I gotta wait a few seconds. That's better. I'm never going to get in that washing machine ever again.